Remember 46 morning. I almost made it around.
How y'all doing?
Good.
Good. Have a good ride down?
Well, the last 15 miles in the mountains there.
The fuzziness over there?
Yeah. It was, I was going, well, I can still see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Stan the man?
Yeah.
Roger Rollins.
This is Kathy or Miss
Hey,
Daisy.
Kathy. All right, terrific, Miss Daisy. All right, good deal. Glad y'all came.
Yeah. Good look too. Yeah, it was just a little rough there, the last bit of mountains there.
Yeah.
We were getting 3,000, we were getting just a little sprinkle. I said, oh boy, I see the light at the end of the tunnel. I could see it was sunny over here.
Yeah.
But we've done that before, going the sentimental journey. And it's like, I'm listening to, of course I couldn't hear that AWAS, it was a little scratchy here.
Yeah.
But sentimental journey, they're calling like a 5. And I go, 5? What's that? 5 feet visibility? And I'm going, no way. I'm like, look, I go, we're only 5 miles away. I'm going, I don't believe it. And so I kept on going, all of a sudden it's like, whoa! You hit the wall, you know. I'm like, they weren't kidding.
That's good.
I'm going to get out of here.
Yeah, stretch out. Come inside.
We got both buckets of well water.
All right.
You tell Kathy about the shower tonight, right? You
Yeah.
hold one for her, she holds one for you. That's the best we can do, but I hope that's going to be workable.
That's fine. Or I can go home smelling, it don't matter.
No, we've got, we'll have you a key for the terminal building here, and you can go inside tonight and be comfortable anytime you want to, and come back out and get in your tent when you want to do that. And we got the courtesy car set up so you can
Go get something to eat.
Get something to eat tonight.
Yeah, because I didn't have nothing at all. I didn't have no lunch.
Goodness.
I don't even think I had breakfast. I had just coffee, and I was like, oh boy.
You're primed for some
Some food, yeah. Let's see here.
Well, we should have a good crowd tomorrow, unless that's what we're hoping for.
Yeah.
It's been tough for folks to know whether they can commit to come or not, what the weather's going to do. And
Well, I talked to a Cessna 170 guy. I said, you going over there? He goes, no, I don't know what you're talking about. I said, no. I thought maybe, tail dragger.
I've been interested to find out something. My good friend Jim Wilharber is the president of 170. So that was me. I did that.
Oh.
Sorry.
I was like, what was that?
President of our 170 Association, and he found out from somebody just a few days ago that somewhere in the neighborhood of 1 or 2% of all the 170 owners actually participate in the forum.
Oh, you got a 170 for him?
Oh, yeah, and there's everything and anything you'd ever want to know about it. It's a great forum, great bunch of guys, but you can really, literally count on a couple of hands how many people actually participate.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's kind of like me, probably. With the Cub, I'd go everywhere. I was just in Ohio last week for the B-25s. I don't know if you saw that. Yeah, I was on that forum. You can see it.
How long have you had this?
Oh, we've had this we're working on our 3rd year. Come October or September will be our 3rd year. Oh, man. Oh. Can you get out all right? Or?
Yeah.
It'll be easier when we get all that stuff out of it.
Yeah.
You just barely get enough to shoehorn yourself in there now.
By myself, like last week.
Did y'all meet Frank already? This is Frank Hubbs. Frank's the airport manager. Kathy and Frank Hubbs.
Nice to meet you, Frank.
Come on in and
Let me pull this around a little bit more.
What do you bring tie down, or you want props, or?
I got tie down. Don't look like. Where's that one going? Is that one going that way?
I don't know. We'll take a look at the
We could tie it down right now. But you're gonna go soon, aren't you? As long as there ain't nothing pressing, it'll stay here. But yeah, here's our tie downs. Yeah, we can do that. As long as there ain't no wind.
No, we're going to be squared away here for a while. We have a forecast of scattered instead of isolated. Yesterday was isolated, today scattered. And we need the rain so darn bad in here. It looks like it's just...
It is that little